Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. I just picked up the new Ego 15-inch cordless string trimmer. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you what it comes in, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together, and you can get on your way to using it. Thanks for watching. Let's cut right to the video. Okay, this is what we got. Now, for the sake of the video, I have already opened this. I was so excited the other day whenever I bought it. I wanted to get the battery charged up. So I did do that already. But I put the battery and the charger back in here so that you can see what all it came with. That's the only thing I opened. We do have a charger right here. We've got the battery. I already have the Ego lawnmower and the blower, so I was pretty familiar with the battery system and the charger. So I got that charged up. What we have left here, looks like we've got the trimmer here. Looks like it already comes with string on it. That's definitely a plus. I wasn't expecting that. So I gotta take this out here. We'll just set this aside. Get the battery out. Comes with a book here. Probably just other than that, Allen wrench right there. I guess we need that for something. Other than that, who needs a book to run a weed eater? Okay, it looks like that screw is going to be for some of this. Let me get all this stuff taken apart and we'll show you how we get it put together. Alright, so this is what we have unboxed. We've got the cordless string trimmer right here. Comes folded up, you just got to unfold it. We've got one bolt. This is the shroud that's going to protect right in here. It's going to go on about right there. Kind of goes over your stringer head. We've got the battery system and we have a handle. So let's get it put together. It's unfolded. Okay, so as you can see, I got that unfolded. It comes together right there, and we'll put that bolt in there to get it locked together. Alright, that's good. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is put the guard on. It's going to go on right up underneath here. Right underneath those holes, line those holes up. I did take the 2 screws out that come pre-packaged, and you're going to line it up right there. That's what you got right there. Okay. I do put tape right here on the string cutter, so we're going to go ahead and peel that off. Now we're going to go ahead and get the handle put on. I'm going to set mine about right there because that's kind of the location of where it feels comfortable to my hand. Get the holes lined up and then we just tighten up the bolts. Alright, now that's pretty much it except for the battery. Get the battery. This 56 volt battery. Super easy to install. Just slide it right in the back. Flip it up. Just slide it right in until it clicks. That's all there is to it. Now some people are going to push that button right there, but you do not have to push it, okay? It's not an on and off. Once you put the battery in, this trimmer is ready to go. So you do have to hold down on this trigger right here, and right underneath here is another trigger. So both of them down at the same time, and as you can see, it's already working. So that's all there is to it. Unboxing and putting together the Ego 15-inch string trimmer. Real simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.